Ooh, what have we got here then? Aha! Not one, not two, not three, but four for the same price of what you get one for directly in the UK. But pass the parcel. Ta-da! Zoom. That's a really nice quality actually. Nice simple design, look. Lovely. Ah, look at these. Look at that. And my favourite is this one. Ta-da! Now, do I have one just for compacts? And then another one for everything else like Microsoft? I don't know. I'll perhaps start with Pentium at the bottom maybe, Microsoft above it. I think that's the way to go. Yeah. The only problem I got now is I've only got 4. I'm going to have to start collecting them now, aren't I? Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.